Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in the tutorial how to use Microsoft Yammer for Office 365 on a Mac computer, tutorial 13, creating a folder within your account. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365. Now this can be for work, school or business. So we're going to start the tutorial. Let's now go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. Now go to office.com. Make sure you are signed into the account. Now go to the left-hand side navigation menu. Go to all applications. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the screen to explore your applications. Now let's go to Yammer. Let's just wait for that to load. Let's go within all company, within my communities. And now let's go to files. Now let's go to where it says new. Click on this. It will allow us to create a folder. Enter the folder name. Let's just say Documents 1. Let's create. And there we have the folder all created. If I were to click in this folder, I can now upload files, folders, or create straight from Yammer. Within this folder, everything will then be saved within Documents 1. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.